Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have got something a little chavvy on this channel today. We have pimped up the Xmaxx. Mario from Rombon has christened this the Hulk, obviously because of its green colours, and he's challenged me to chav it up with some lights. So, not wanting to disappoint, that's exactly what I've done. So it's not going to be a long video, guys. All it is a set of strip lights. Basically, I've put some underneath there, as you can see on the chassis, which light up the ground pretty cool. So just a long strip from Amazon. I think it was £9 for 5 meters, 12 volt. So I've cut it into strips, glued it on the bottom because the tape was absolutely rubbish, and just drilled the leads through. I've also, as you can see, put it on the shell. So as you can see, all the lights in here. I've done it on the front section and on the back section because there's nothing much to show on here. And I've also put it on, if we can get to it, a plug. So it's on a jack plug there, so we can still take the body off if we want to go crazy with the bashers. And we can just unplug the separate 3S pack. All the lights go out, so I'm probably in the dark. Back to a standard Xmaxx. All nice on a little Y splitter there. So I can't wait to get this out in the dark, guys. We'll get a couple of little seconds of it driving around in the dark. I've also got a red set for the raminator. So click, share, like, subscribe, whatever you got to do, because we're going to be pimping up the raminator shortly. We might have another one coming as well. So everything crossed, we might have another raminator on the channel.